wirane tuketha twina kaimenyi yao na manto tukwenda kwareria ni atiri mero thai muthutra yo siasa yoro sana itumini akari barua bamwe batikwenda gavana Kawira ethira ari ubisine kaitene kano tunengero ni bunge ya Senate na bo wati barua Kawira barua bo baro ubisine legally na mwankarira koti kethire kiite yamba ku otherwise niro Kawira kethira kiumaruka ubisine na of course nethirita kibwithia series of meetings then obisiewe now posting bicha uranguite na mbere kuruteka nonto kutibati kwithira kwina vacuum na untubo nebwithirite bwipingwa bonene ni Senator wa Meru Karibo Meru na kinya tongeria mwanya ndani ya county ya Meru untubo ibonekanire kinya Sunday kwithira buke abakorea kwarirwo ni national leaders barabari South Immense uti muntu wariri impeachment uti muntu wariri ne kintu kira akikiarirwe ni Kiraitu Murungi yake ubire utongeri Meru butisa sawa na President William Ruto iba mwendete ko nete akarenthi athwanie urakethira kiriship utongeria bwa county ya Meru na ndona by clash na Senator wa Meru Kathuri Murungi I don't know ina clash umire lakini twina abisa kiro bisi yawe atwira ina mantu yamwe ya umire kiri ikarokira kiari Jumapili rutere rwa South Immense number 2 together tukiolelia mantu igi ngwataniro ya thai ya William Ruto Raila Odinga kugea kombo kwithira kwina ngwataniro ya Raila Odinga na William Ruto moving towards 2027 kire githurano kiu is it a return of Pentagon kire siasa 2027 na number 2 tukolelia biliyo kwenda wiko kire Senate ikitu ni Senator wa Kiambu Karungu wathangwa okuatiri ukia kwithira impeachment ika pound ya Senate na governor thira kingwa then timelines iribati kwithira ni 6 months ukia kwithira court itathire case na governor na ikiti case court governor abati usis ku office na chitira munini we take over so ini moshisu zetu kwenda kwa rukiro rwa ria na batugulukura 40188 na by SMS to live kri Facebook to live kri YouTube na kri TV yeku ya Wero. Karibu sana bwana Kaime.
Thank you. Ibaga sana bwana Edward ntuba kongwata ugen rukiro na arua kenda tumba kwa raria na Mumeru mbere Mumeru muga no ringi muga turaja kuomba gukunura na mathuganio
yeah
tenu tukatwije muno inya Mumeru na ijeja mainge nguruki yetu but when we get an opportunity tukomba kuelimishana kenda tuinde tumba kuthira at least tukimenya what is happening na imbie kuendelea ndene ya nthiguru yetu ya Kenya
atwambiririe somewhere nkwenda kweka post former governor Kiraitu Murungi arekwandika kire Facebook na akiwa ura bendete William Ruto lakini in terms of utongeria ya Kameru iti recognized nationally indonere your boss Kathuri Murungi akiandika uria Kiraitu Murungi umire utongeriene boy MP 10 years ago ya senator governor now ile ya kuona manto ya maybe Meru reka nambi I think unit ndi bati kwithira ro yatongeria ibi atumire senator ta utokeria Kiraitu Murungi
well bugembere ma senator na na right chonde cha guchokera Kiraitu Murungi na te Kiraitu Murungi yake any other person in the first prize buge Kiraitu na thithite mistake nene muno number 1 kulingana post ire yawe akaraje kaku akuga South Immense etari na MP between 2013 na 2022 kulingana na post yewe no tukire post yewe na ugite na inyakire rwari rure aritie kanisene na ugite na riwe MP wa South Immense mwaka 2013 na aga appreciate mono Shadrack Muiti ngugera kurita of which nyani ngwa kambugibwa kire Shadrack Muiti nendra ithetie ngugeire thire Kathuri Murungi ambiritie na kinyagi taka injeru one of the best performing MPs dene ya Meru Shadrack Muiti is among them kinyoge tantu bao iba kumenya ngugiri kwendelea nturene it is valid kumu appreciate but then it was wrong kwa piaje kaku akuga Shadrack endererete are Kiraitu amutigirite 2013 a gap of 10 years as if South Immense yakiri na ituje South Immense etha kuririe nge itirie tunguge South Immense has been consistent kiri uritu wanguge mbuge o mujumbe ja akamba kuthirikiria irio ronge thire na arua ngavana kawira tumuragia biuria bia nikitumi mirandi etigine thirikari nthiru ate kuthirikiria ugeta South Imenti kiraitu uguo uraragia akaraja ka miaka 10 kwari na ngap guti murandi kijajo mwe ambiritie jo atigwa uge Shadrack Mweti wejete kuthirikiria so it was wrong ukaraja ka go papot kwari na ngap secondary buge you know kiraitu I think kiraitu is not a good dancer in politics non to a good dancer knows when to exit the stage buge mbere ma ayu inkomote ya mono na inkomweshi marera riri yawe ya jojo wetu siasa ene nikire oni jojo okwa lakini na arigiro kumenya ipointiere kwa batere we kuma kire active politics na agatuika mukuru okirira na aremero kumenya bu na iketo mi 20
just retirement
isawa chite retirement but however much chite retirement kurio etaga rutere akaumuka kire gite gya kuthurwa agatuika na ndi kuma aure nguge awe ikweja na kire akibara bakuthura nonto I don't think a good leader without a successor is not a good leader. A good leader without a successor is not a good
What
leader.
are you purporting?
I'm purporting to say kwithira wigitene kuma we muthaka we mukuru wigitene witena mukwanjo uri gitene teja kuga kori mutongerio mwega muno nonto it means utiromba ku impact generations ira chienyume ku chiomba ku succeed.
You know Peter Munya.
I'm not saying he didn't mentor anyone, but he didn't know at what point to exit the stage. Ne alikuwa batere nonto track record ya kiraito mwaka 2022 yari mtota chindwa getene. And that one was unquestioned. But after 2022, that track record was lost. Na ro tutumba kwa ride kiraito ari mtota chindwa getene. Na chindiro 2022. So kauntoka wake, and I'm saying respectively, kauntoka wake ikamuchafuire akatabatere kumuchafua nonto no yarengeja kauga una ndi gitara kode gukinyara kuritaya kambite nkabo eja kirira na no mjukie tu itebinge ja bire nabyo it's very okay, it's very fine aeja na gekirira nonto no na kirira it is true ena kirira ya siasa so mbuge rwarie ne rwawe na atitie muno to some extent mbuge ndetaga nkona kiraitu ne anto para baije nyina wenka no wije kuruga gutonge wije kuruga so since kiraitu ate at the center and decision making in the country na mono akiri presenta Meru ate at the center na gukaraje ka kwigwa gutonge umba kuthura ari ugategate ya Meru barirwa but then ariririe generation yao we are in another generation of leaders ibo babwiri gutha bechi ara whether they do it right or not na batere kuba some space back exercise their room ya utongeria bwao na kinyabo ngwa gitara uri kathira bangi beje so mbuge ketha gwi ecima ringi kiraitwa abatere kunenkera Meru at this point in time te kuthirwa kera yeje ka gwa antagonize anyone igotwika mukuru okirira ke barendete na bare atendete yeah
so kakuthira kwina personal battle between Senator Kadhuri na Kiraito Murungi because kuya kwelewa imbi Senator Biatumira chokia this span 10 years are MP it are recognized right
to me it's one of them secondary kwina rwari ru kire post yewe ugaga Meru na manto ja itekere national government you know whether it's true or not personally enter into the details kumenya validity ya statement you but whether it is true or not mbuge na kamburia mpe expound on topo
okay
lakini mwekuru kamatete mimba bigo Meru akiuga atenga kwa statement ya Kiraito ne kwenga mwekuru kamatete mimba.
Who is that?
Let me not explain that.
Okay, we move from that.
Yes.
Now, Digijina are South Imenti, elected leaders, almost all of them, utiwe eterekiri ikarokira, braba harikuo ni former CS Mithika Lenture, Kiraito Murungi, Karambu Kaidemia, na nominated MP Dorothy Muthoni. Na kiri rwarirura Gachagua nonekanire kuonga Mithika bu nene aramukatha araua imuntu orithite ngwe lakini ni meombe siasa yejire emuringanithia na lakini there is a god of second chance
Yeah.
So what could be the reason abunge ba Meru bavoindire witakiri ikarokira
mbere mabati ntumite kubariria
No, it's your opinion.
But
It's your
my
opinion,
opinion
yes.
is inguteka nkona bwa mbere kuri bamwe ndonere John tu Senator Kadhuri Murungi be na president na ari Bungoma na kinya the previous day na bari na we Nyanza indonere be thinga beteni na president na kinya Gachagua riri ari Nyanza buge kuringa na interpretation yekwa it could be no to Kadhuri ni deputy speaker wa Senate. It is possible kuthwa president ya mwirite from a personal friendship njombikie Kisumu for one reason or another. No nkuona kinya kiri video na mbicha chiawe senator na ndresete ground na role na ubali Bungoma. So it is possible kuthwa president ya mwitite na mwira njombikie Bungoma no kuona nyibete ni na bakemani shungwa no ibete ni na leadership ya assembly both in the senate na kinya in the National Assembly. Abunge baba bangi, I am not sure ina bari na no bedro bari kiri activities chiao. No bedro bari na activities chitenge bari kiri kuthora bari mochemano ya deputy president. But ibuge kutarira vacuum nuntu iba represented ni Chandra Kimwiti MP wa South Imenti, iba represented ni Mheshimiwa Muthoni nominated MP na iba represented ni Mheshimiwa Kairemia women lep wa Meru. So according to me ntekuona jeka abunge batari mochemani one no to three of them ibaba represented and again itoigirwe nya project yao chikinenkanirwa. I don't quite remember imbiongo ya ejanirwe reason as to why bate gukuriku, but it is possible with robari na activities check mbuga kingugi or something cia bathekete no tugote mubunge ndona ari Meru ntona inwe ya mubunge wa ari Meru no nararega kwa attend function yeu ya Rigathi Gachagua na nkurikanie where we are coming from. Ituonete mechamania mingi mono deputy president yakija na bunge bakamwikia ngugi nyabonde. So we cannot purport kuka kaba urire mochebano jojo deputy president na if anything tutaigwa deputy president agicomment about the same bakethora kaba aregete gwita aringi comment diginji te mtu ogwichithira mantu. By the way diginji mtu kwarinya mantu jara nuntu no kuona ari South Imenti na kanusha jara Kimani Chungwa ugete ari na rura Nyanza jara Kimani Chungwa akaraja kago papoti Mount Kenya itigwa appreciate itebiria president yanenkanirite Mount Kenya no menyeriwa kwa Mount Kenya includes Meru inde iguru Rigathi Gachagua kecho kinyethera ta gwetererie tore Kimani Chungwa mtu otegete TV ni okomenye Kimani ugere na komenye Kimani urachokorwa. So ikethero abunge ba Meru batetere mochemani na president deputy president yakethwa akiona kwari na any mistake whatsoever aringi ugira agu live direct. So to me I think no monkabe the bari in agreement that maybe kule activities bari nacho na bamwe babo ndio kwa a good example idonerebe na ara mochemani jo president of which president yakethro agwitete akwira mbikia o ura bomwita abo amwira njugweto wijo rugure murandi njugweto wijo chemani na timu eje akwira mbikia kona of course it is an obligation untu nyagwa no kwenda ntu benu nyabongo bejarira bakatuma ngugi baigwa ngugi ni obligation yaku kinyagwa gwikania.
Rigiji kamba kuthara maanisha there is a chance for former CS Mithika Linturo, there is a gone for a second chance.
Of course Rigiji rwari rwawe to some extent I subscribe to it. Mithika no ethro na remeroge performance no ethro na urirwe ni agency no ethro reasons iratio the muntu akaejana, but there is one thing twinde tubatere kwa ngiri especially ja Meru antu bara baitete ngugi ya president William Ruto kiri siasa ndiru na inya na bachitanirite monka inya bara safa bara kurukira manto ya maingi ni including Mithika Linturi, including Senator Kadhuri Murungi, including ajumbe bathuri na kiama kia UNDA ba Meru, including MCAs bathuri na kiama kia UNDA ba Meru, including anto jaba kaimenye bara bagwire tiachene anto bo bonde baiterete William Ruto ngugi kwe gento kimwe mpenda tutega twinde turi a Meru na tutega analogy u anto bara bonde bara president William Ruto ari wandete political wants kiri gutari bwa cabinet baba ingi bawo ibachokirwe thirikari-ini kana baranenkerwa gite kiu through process yao. So it goes without saying then kinya Mithika Linturi na bwiri kwa considered at some point somewhere na turi a Meru well no kwithro kwena issues ingi underlying issues but then nitubatere kwa ngiri ja Meru birenja kinya biena mundu oku birenja biena value nkurukie bie kuraja na ugwe.
Okay.
Yes.
Kwa statement ngondo kuthomera au ya Kathuri Murungi gwete atire na ariririe na ari Nyanza. The 4-day tour in Nyanza by Chief President is a clear demonstration that we have departed from the previous politics of ethnic cocooning to a more inclusive and accommodative politics. The warm reception recorded to the end of states in Nyanza clearly demonstrates that Kenyans were burdened by their own school politics. Kenyans have moved to a new order.
It is true. Well, Mugara Muera Kini Akimpe. At the end of the day, at some point, somewhere no monka tokeja kwa ya Meru na nyaja Mount Kenya to realize the system is shifting. Na kinyori ngibakura hapo itebukeka rukaka.
Yeah.
Former President Uhuru Kenyatta na thithirie Raila Odinga some kind of cleansing na muthambirie rukoro rwingi muno na Kinyaka chagwa na gwetere bantu jau bari na arwa South Imenti na muthambirie rukoro runthe Raila ari naru nteto ira tuonaga Raila thithiti nyingi mantu jaragwa jara no to sometimes Kinya Ameru beto bakorukira batwire gupingira Raila baba ingi baba batikwira anything substantial baba ingi ukaigwa bekwira nganjara mogi athithie gitara Kenyatta na Raila baba ingi ukaigwa bekwira ngai kwari na ku ange gitara ai bakorirwa kuwe wimbie rwa gaira baba ingi nya bakariria mantu ya multi-party democracy rirecho agwa yani ukaigwa nteto yu chitene wa close to olitibu wangugi statement ya Senator Kathuri Murungi kagwaria it's a statement of facts. The fact that President William Ruto na rejire nawe araniria na Raila Odinga no bethurete handshake, but we know now Raila Odinga na share kiri thirikari no nto na cabinet slots ithano na nengeria antu baba batano be thirikari ne be na cabinet including giteke Anthony General ikiawe including daiji kakurwiriro wanyu kigiteke chairman wa EU untu buria ibura letere some form of reconciliation between Antoba Nyanza, Ambuge Nyanza Western na Kinya Rift Valley na to some extent the fact that Uhuru Kenyatta na gerete ko cleanse Raila Odinga to a great extent Kinya Antoba Mount Kenya bali involved na Nthiguru Kenya right now there is unspoken unity Nthiguru na yonde and I can tell you voting patterns ile Kenya batwire bamenyeretie uringi boto bakuru watu twire tumenyeretie 2027 will be a very great opposite imwanya jo munene muno no twire tumenyeretie nuntu twije antu banyansa batena muntu wao ndebe ne Raila Odinga batiringa akura that will be the opposite of it in 2027 unless mantu ja change nuntu kitekia EU gikeja kwate gikaura
nonto
believe me antu bacho ka street ile
boyo nonto krega thitu ari kuona Oburu Odinga close allies bababa bareo baraba tarobe mawaziri baruo kya kwithira Ruto akaingia wirane bwa kurete tikia AUC ekirire Raila Odinga then but then anything ya kureo mo support 2027 so meaning every condition fail they are back to the settings
because abacho gete tu atu factory settings na factory settings ya of street ne bateura na manji kijage ja maingi lakini buge as things are Kinya kwa atuika gite EU gikaura Kinya bage choka ge factory settings gitethora chie ora gutwire tene you know tene without Raila on the ballot anto banyansa baraba ingi bateringa kura na utumete bwanyuma including 2022 but come 2027 the fact that be na share kire thirikari be na antu bao be thirikari ne inya antu baba bakwaria bambandi na bau bange bathuri be kire thirikari ne Kinya Raila akaga gite kia AUC believe me or not patio mbakurunga mauti raitire bakashifu president nuntu ne appointees bawe baka mukashifu at that point in time berenye gitara siasa rikinya mtojo na arusire gite kia the fact that na resignere president akeja guchiugura akauga irogono ronge mwanya mono so baba ingi ba obeka teund so manto jaga chinche
jaga ingi true nonto jo ure aithirikari ne atuma thirikari ne ndoyo kana oke kana miaka 5 eke is there to stay
gweke urio kuritie in your opening statement could it be age formation inge Pentagon return ya Pentagon to me Pentagon ni kwa thirikari ya Kenya na arua na gintu kira uni kera antu beto ba Meru na Kinya antu beto ba Mount Kenya tukenda batwi kwa irwa twita opposition in any way. This is not the time to be in the opposition. Thirikari ya William Ruto na Arua no ethirwo kwi mantu ja maingi muno tutigwitikaniria no to some extent kana for whatever reason inyajara kiraitu aandika kiri mutandao jwawe. But this is not the time to be in the opposition. It is right. No kono gachagua ugaga woni ndiuga ndikaria shares cia antu bakwa ndendene tende yome ndendene. That is the route to go. Kwa getete for what is rightfully yours. Lakini ti uri ome. Ti ugikaraja kaumba kuthwo kiuga president no twete kuraja na ugo no. Ituri akwi na ugwe indi tukwira one of the biggest mistakes that happened to us ikwithro akitwetere ciacene tutina arite na agreement. Kau kantu kau igaturingite muno. But no ntu ituthomete na twerewa nandi. Jaja 2027 chirio cha ku negotiate. Tutho twina written memorandum. Tutho twina written agreement as a community. But right now, thirikari iji gatwamitonyire ni yetu ya kwithurira. Tubatere kuga Ameru ibanenkerwo kina, Mount Kenya ni nenkerwo kina, turindene titwiyome na tumikaritie. Antu banyanza bejete badiringite nyakura na bajukia share na bena share yao na kinyabo ba main defend. Bado tuingite kura tubatere ko main defending krokievo.
Okay. Quickly we move from that. Kire gatheti ya Nation Today iliwa kuna timelines ikwenda kwa sets ya impeachment ya governor. Now ndirenda tuitekire yao Karungu wathangwa kuwa akwithira senate ku impeach governor na governor akomatuka koti, then abati kukara kando akathia ta kesi yewe for 6 months. 6 months cia lapse kwa tuweka koti ita kesi kwa tuka impeachment ira iko upheld na governor au cease kuthira ari governor whatsoever. Na bumanite na ya Senator wa Isiolo Fatuma Ndulo no ntobo kawira mwangaza ucoko obisine na ingini Senate na gazette notice yumete mbere ya koto onda tiuma na kuringana na by feel yaka Senate ekundunisho bunene yamba kuruta ngweyo na gavana acoko obisine yako tikintu krediata kirakareka. How do you comment about this?
Mbuge bire ubaikete mbunge it is coming at the right time. Well, how I wish ne yetenya before, but it is coming at the right time. Na I bill egatethia moving forward nonto o mata o might is unfortunate. Mbere mali governor impeach waneki. Grounds of impeachment imanto very extreme abuse of office, manto extreme misuse of power, misuse of public resources, manto very extreme. Nande governor na gwatikanire na atumirite mbecha cia mwingi bwei in other ones kwena wamba thirikari na yawe na meya jonekana na senate ya ringa kura yetikanirie na impeachment ya kwano kwa governor huu ene governor na gwatikanire na meya cia utumiri bobwe bichi yawe kubutana kwa kiorera kwandikana gutina guthingatite procedure wenyangia utumiri bobwe bichi yawe na kurega kwa kinyeshima obichi ewe eneo na gwatikana makosa jau na senate yetikanirie na makosa no rikane senate ikiringa kura ithero yambite kuthikire gamba riu igamba assembly yathikire gamba ria gwitetera kwa governor bareta kuje bonde na kinya mukenya na mwananchi wa county area affected ategete TV ni akiona imbi enderere na akiomba guteka kona kauma kwino kuje. For instance, a good example yora nkuga ute mumiru from where we sit mumiru wonde na ije governor Kawira Mwangaza na gwatikene makosa ya gufonji baruga cia wakiri Linda Kiome. Mumiru wonde na ije from where they sit governor Kawira Mwangaza na gwatikene na makosa jo tumiri bobo ibo ambecha cha Meru no kuje bura adduced kire senate. Mumiru wonde na ije Meru ni erusire mbecha gukurukira ubutani bobo ibwa governor Kawira Mwangaza na ndo bara butete na kotira bachokia na bara wanted bari wene county Meru. Mumiru wonde na ije na manto jaja alirio senate. Lakini senate yerekia ku make verdict yayo for whatever reason governor within no time bakogea kotini bakiugia kotini gutio kuje baraikia kotini ndathomere kinya findabitiira ya trenda mitandaone personally well let me not question it at this point in time but I had so many questions to ask na bogia beja na onda kinyeti kwereka imbie kwariria berema onda eje kiuma cassette notice nere kuma na onda eje rirunge ka cassette notice now uma ija kwagira the institution of the Senate na county assemblies ishima nunto court. You know the fact that someone is a judge does not mean that a judge is supreme kana is above the law. Judges are also liable. Na ibabateri nyabo kutuika yonda accountable kiri operations kiao for whether omissions na kana commissions. Chori tibango gibwao. It is true. Rera tukuona kwina ikinya judge ukujukia a constitutional procedure untobo provide to kiri katiba akaugibo choke bote bukarirwe kiri njuri ncheke a judge itubatere kukurania biuria as a country na that is why I support birira ikitwe ndene ya Senate ekurukwe kenda ngavana kwa twika agwimpichwa for whatever reason atibatere kuchoko bichine yawe for those 6 months koti dikire case keda ko nonto yo nayo iboega mtu akayewa kanya kanya kagwitetera na iteterere Senate ali bagwita kotini ri imbiba bwiri kutho abakiara iria kotini koti itibatere kwariria content of the impeachment koti ibatere gutegera procedures with all the procedures met motion ikiambiria ne chain ni athandi ya MCA's ba assembly motion igikinya assembly ne committerwe urebatere gukomitwa ngavana na aerwe netere public participation ngavana na aerwe kanya gakweja gwitetera kiri county assembly whether yetika kana areka gwitika bagwita Senate both team ya assembly na ngavana wewe ngwa ibaerwe kanya gagwitetera a senators na bori ure katiba yeje ne route ijiri cia gwitewa whether plenary kana whether committee route ira betere ne thingatite procedures cia operations ciao o ringi bokura kura ichi aringirwe finally within time ire egasetted in Senate ekethora procedure ucho the nithingati court etena jurisdictions whatsoever cia gutegera content of the motion itself etena any powers whatsoever eje ne katiba provided procedure impeachment of the governor article 181 of the constitution of Kenya blend together na clause 47 44 77 check out the government act na ichi provided procedure kuma mwamberio monka mwicho chiora governor atbatere gutwika impeached kiri process ye yonde guteo koti egweti koti ni ura ijaga izana ne kwa arbitrate finally nunto naku o mtu wona ikubatera kutha kwena checks and balances kirengo gionde rera litwa mwicho ne ngavana akeja gutwika kuri o procedure tethingaterwe na batere kugia kotini uko ko challenge a certain procedure in this case ya Meru kuteno nko onene inya wewe tutigane na but bireje ikitwe Senate igateithia Kenyans na inya mono moving forward na Kenya bakomba kuona kioto kia no the question that I'm asking myself governor agwatirwa impeachirwe nuntu bo tumeribo bo ibo ambecha cia mwingi acoke obichine acoketwe ni court na nkimwe kinyanto baka wira mwangasa iba kwaria bo baka uga atiri barenda kuthiurukia mantu jaja kotini igita riri raja so finally bakwangiri nyume kuja thiurukia igita riri raja no ageta so ibaiji ari obichine irigari kinyaja thiurukia igita ringana
so they are buying time
it's only a matter of buying time so buy time for what reason uri gwatekene no tumuri bobo ibo ambecha kudeti mi that ocho ko bichine utumira ambecha che mwingi boy nenda kwira ntugwere nge twarigete na ugwa jojo I have had questions tikiurua kinya igoro indrona mitandaone Ameru bakiurania tha iji beta kwa revenue weta kule ambecha chia ini whether ichia single business permit ichia kwembe chira chonto bakuta kule kwa revenue kule account bakwewa they are asking nunto account ije terare on before iyo makweri ni Meru na yeye after impeachment ntereta ku confirm ni but after this I wanted to confirm account yu ni Meru account yu ni account kana kakumba kuithirwa kuri na mbecha chigweta miukone yantu. That is why it is very wrong whether governor impeach itwe na achoko bichine for any reason whatsoever case ite abete kuthira nuntu mtu just imagine agachoko bichine ichoke finally court yuge procedure chothe cha thingati na impeachment ne bata ne revalid riu mtu na achokero bichine akara kunya tuge meri kana mweri jomo kana ithatu kana meri tandatu kana whatever period of time mantu jara thithitie for that period of time jatethwa ja compromise ite operations cha county to a great extent. So niki yako ingo support bill and it's a thing that we should discuss as Kenyans. Ja public participation personally ngekira input chakwa cha kuginkome support na mithome boega nuntu kinya ubo provide 6 months ni ndengerombe tweka it's a month ikethirwa case ya kura cha presidential elections petition iridikirwo within 2 weeks ntekuona kwena reason as to why case ya impeachment ya governor senate yongwa itherwa ina ntukuijiri chokara ntiguri cheba thikaira atuge toto around 14 days na ekathirania na nteto yu koti kinya no ibiumia biri bingani bia kuthirania na manto jau antwa mukenya endelea ku use resources no for those 6 months boketha bweterete tuketha tukathingata constitutional provisions chionde ntore akendelea kurewa nucho muchara jwawe nuntu akethera kiuga ndi koti ni mbeterete na no mbeche je mwingi chigwenyangiro tunari na muntu impeach ro so ke yakwa ningo support
okay
ingo support fully that bill kenda a Kenya Pedro Beshua the moment governor agwatikana na makosa uno peu ige soiri kengi
kaime yoro ni kurari na maandamano ya health workers
yeah
ni 33 days since pai kwambire mugomo yo baruwa mwaka thai batathikirwa kuma June batariwa mishara Kawira Mwangazi is in office mwabisa bawe by in office yoro indirene nyana abwithite mucemonio burara chief of staff and other officers ba county now kiurikira mumero ochuria thai na maybe yoranyen bombo ochuria Kawira Mwangazi ari opisine antu baba kuandamana kinyari usoka uti muntu urabathikira sibitari nyingi ndene Meru why should we have a government irete kuthikira maslai ya Mumeru nonto okay aguthe arimu iba wita mugomo na kiumi within kiumi kimothirikari ya karanthi ya bathikira bakathiria mugomo why is Meru mugomo wa madaktari will take that 3 days and going
nande mbere maikiria confirmation that governor Kawira Mwangaza ari obichine yuta tena watho she is legally in office she is the former governor that one I can guarantee you na ndiugo nuntu ikethwa ka umari sure abatere kuthware obichine abwiri kwithro etete daktari bakara na bonde guru nuntu right now in governor wake uri obichine ikethwa mwananchi ate kuona services kire chibitari nuoki she was better if she was not there ni ange bibilia kinya yeka uga mtore ogukunyanira murungu kaba kinya atenge chiarwa nuoki uri obichine ikethwa na arua Mumeru ate kuona services kire chibitari chietu che mwingi nuoki uri obichine guti operations chikomba gweta na mbere Mumeru ate kuona utungata bururu ndagitari mbiba komerete kia mbere i promotions kia biere ne chibitari ria bari kitena ndawa na Mumeru ndenda amenye ogu nuntu ndagitari ndakwirire okaire gutirita te gutega mwajie na metho ndagitari no atege mwajie na metho monkaga kwa but ndawa chirio akomba gukundie mwajie muthega joro batere na mwajie ogu ambirie process ya recovery murungu no amorie so the illegal governor wojo uri obichine how I wish kethera uma imto kuthugania abatere kwithiro etete leadership ya mandagitari akara ne onde guru kuchwantaira cha kutatua issues iji lakini nonto neje she is illegally in office iko chwa tuko cause confusion but the right time will come na time will vindicate Ameru governor anetu the incoming governor atatue thina iji cia Ameru na kira na ndena nimpomba ko wish kire the incoming the fourth governor Ameru i wajukia kanya arandiria na ndagitari bone bone a lasting solution such that mumeru kuombeka gutwike gutigita ringi kairi
kaime thina no kumineri mandaktari ba be mugomoneru ari ntuko yokinya 34 no kuona
34 yes
no kuona na antu ba bate kumenya thine ya pangaratano yo tongere meru ikathira ri kenda bamenya utu target kuthira thina tio so bare ya utu bate kumenya mumeru ari bate kumenya thine ikathira ri daktari bara bate kumenya thine ikathira ri so ameru bonde be confused they don't know bate kumisa indire ko baeta
na ingwitikia that is the reason as to why kuona public ne kiumana na inya mono be mugomone baba ingi we saw it on Friday, we saw it on Wednesday last week, we saw ikurali na antu barauga baumire goro baikie mandagitari gugena nuronere antu bakiumira go champion kuchangiria mandagitari nontu bakutha beome na arua ya vanda sif kuri na mugomo tauni na sampati inge tia Meru nontu mwingi jonogi na mbere mumeru batukira tubatere go exercise ne patience, a lot of patience nontu at the right time murungu agatuito kompone po at the right time turombe koti chetu katukarie koti karie katiba iwokiririe Biblia na katiba oraswea ati ugakaria katiba at all cost tegutwika mtu aimpichirwe akenyangia kanya ka Meru go cause confusion for no reason no ndonade kedra the former governor ataichokerio bichine irigari I can guarantee you acting governor ethrwetete mandagitari bakara na bonde kuru nuntu na agechwa gantaira eterete mantu jangi processes tigethithagwa so tuge uyu uri bichine mwingi irigari na umagare nebere mwingi jo tutero ne the right person nuntu kinyakaraku ate solve the naiji nuntu she is there illegally na ate solve the naiji nuntu antu bara nkona bakiringa nabo bicha bachemene nabo ne appointees bawe antu bara batere gukora ba muri na ate wauga na gakora ba chief of staff CCs ibongo na bekara bonde guru I can guarantee you kinyari tinguge ba county ibanogi kwithro muntu uri ari gitine it is only that bate kumba kwaria nuntu nawe na chichokerie obichine irigari na nuntu public iteka ije sheria yonde iba gukira gutwika muntu uyo akendera iba gukira lakini mbere bukage ogwa kwanje bubatere kumara bwamwira na ndigweta twebere lakini she is there irigari
okay now kire ishi yonde kuona MCA wa municipality Caleb waruoke aguthentu bakubwanga kubwithia maandamano atiba bwithi maandamano wondine cio bakeya kuya kuthuka nginto bia municipality na site issue ya tuko ya Juma Meru primary antiba matukirire ko tiangazi eringwa yeta skuru alitoba affected na as we speak skuru ru ari it's closed itiruri alitoba utibe skuru nontiba okira isintensira yumire Friday yumira don't you see maandamano nyeyo cause more harm than good
bere mama maandamano jatabwiri kwithirwa jena nyatiangas there were peaceful demonstrators Meru mantu jaja aretere kuvurugana Meru imantu jairi na iketu nkuga na arua ngavana Kawira Mwangasa na batere kwana na kaumu obichine mantu jairi jara tuonere fundamental to batere kurani ya Meru ikware na antu bare na mite thitangi town na bare obichine ya ngavana na bakaretwe ni security systems cha thirikari Meru cha thirikari Kenya askari bakarija yakaba bakarite nuntu barinde ene kwina askari bari ngitine na antu bena mitalimbo na baraumara bareta bengene na antu bamuinya bao baraurwa na riri antu bengatirwa na antu bayure batonyere cukuru ya Meru primary na monka na arwa tutere igwinya county commissioner kana inya county commander police akiuga kuri antu bagwati bau bakamatete mite thitangi nuntu bat manda antu bara baumirite kwandamana bauma bari very peaceful na kida TV enu imbonete kavite mantu jau and you have those scripts bomba kuonania kauma antu bara bataumirite na gintu batakamatete inya ruji batakamatete inya yiga batakama gutege ntu bakamatete baumarite antu betete na njara bakarium very peaceful buge awi kuthiuruka ki street ine lakini ni untu bwa this irigo governor mtu kwenda nya gukosi ndo agategateka mtu na muturi owe bareta guns and I saw something on social media the other day bakiuga kwingarinya chionero chigitonya somewhere cheumara na meteu something of that kind antu bara personally na abone na metho bakwa bari presence chiobichi ya Governor Meru, and I have seen clips even on Wero TV na TV inge Kenya chikuona ni antu bara obichine bare agu compound ine obichi na bara umara barengana na antu so tuge atiri
yeah,
it is unfortunate no tukethera antu bara bata insecurity bakara kundene na baumara go cause chaos kote antu bari tonya Meru primary no to peaceful demonstrators
tio kuita
bari bara barene number 2 kama hicho tuke na tekoridwe.
Okay,
it is also very wrong and the police should also be held accountable. Imbie to mibeta kugeratia ngazi chukuru, imbie to mibeta kugeratia ngazi chukuru na muno inyankuru kite inyan no uga chukuru ya university, it's a primary school when ana innocent. It is unfortunate na somebody should be held accountable kuri mtu batera ukamata mutaraba jwawe ni ura ntije kedra Kenya ka cherie te ko operate kana imbi already to batera kuwa mtu andike statement.
so antu bokwira ibonekanite kiri mitandao emo bekiri, I will not mention pages yunambi bekiri bakiwa ibo business people,
Yes.
kaba kwenda kundefend biashara chio patenti kiri antu be ya demonstrate, of which sentiment hii ya kaira record ni area MCO municipality akiwa ugia kuthira antu bakanda mana bedi or cause anything am kiri biashara chio kinyabo bakanda defend biashara chio.
Then could it be that this area MCA no baumiretie no to kinyawo engwa yes saint no na kwa kinyawo engwa au obichile ngavana that day no na kwa nangale we gitonya na kauma that is yes. I do not have facts about the
But won't go oni miarie we ya utuko kire news
na
chia.
kinyana ari nya CV ne nabo muthikirite
yeah.
show ejira umona ndi
Yes.
auga wengwa bagakaria biashara ciao kakumba kuthiro no kumiria antu bau bena very armed public ire armed public ikarito ni police na ire armed ibyo rito batera kurania fundamental cha Meru na tuchoke turania atiri until when Meru ikethwa in this crisis. Lakini mbuge one good thing with all this, the moment kawira Mwangasa ageta bururu kinyanto bara na atano chena ne arochia, and I can tell you imutuyo ajo antuko bachoaga kawira arikia gwita ukaigwa bakiuga ateto ingi mwanya mo na atano chena ne arochia na twindi tubatere kuona mutu ni ura ki mistake yathithikire bethura bena bari hamd na baraumirwo be hamd but ngavana kethera abachuite bamutetera abanumiria abarumirie baumira bate hamd de baringire nyampe ni untu ibabatere kurena kunywa kwao kubatere okando inyaku
nyama badu baba nginya baba kurumuganto bakaya kwandamana.
It's an argument from their side.
Yeah.
Na I don't know how valid it is, lakini buge atiri kugintu kimwe kuigwa publicly everywhere mawa maandamano ya kuwa kawira nete nkubu maandamano ya kuwa kawira nete tauni mutindo maandamano ya kuwa kawira nete na arati mawindiro na antu baki address media bakiuga kawira nete ke mikindori maandamano ya kuwa kawira nete ari akituronera antu bakumira ku counter imutindo oni nte kuona ora umbombira kwina mtu umba ku mobilize county yonde ekiuga mtu mwenete inde tauni yemwake uketha kwina timu ego counter. Your guess is as good as mine.
No, kaime yankurie now maandamano ya drone notice yekuwa Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Is this sustainable? Na kithi sustainable? Yetithukangia maybe biashara wendi no paralyzed operations nyingi muno ndene account.
Gintu kira giatetherie nthiguru ya Kenya President William Ruto ali consider buritire jawe jwangugi na achinchia kinya cabinet ali shafo cabinet yawe na kinya accommodate ile agweta broad based government ikumira kwa agencies batikulirent bakiuga tukaumira ukiumia mande chionde to barabarene na batikumira bale bakinyinya kuga mande na Thursday bale barabarene na ba consistent ka umakumira well kule manto ya maingi kule biashara chienya ngere it is true kirindwa ikotha kuna gintu twita casualties of war buge maandamano jaja kuthithu imingi jo Meru, believe me or not, they will bear fruits. They will bear fruits.
No
to area
ate na manto ya court how can you influence the court?
No, not to influence the court. Maandamano jate ku target ku influence court kulingana oni.
Yes.
Maybe no kwithro mtu ngia kethukana ya ku influence lakini kulingana oni jate ku influence court.
Yes.
But maandamano ija ku-influence the public itself, ija ku-influence public leaders, ija ku-influence political leaders, ija ku-influence anyone kuthugania ri what is good for Meru, which is the right direction ya Mumeru. It's a conversation that muntu wonde abatere kuthwa tukiuranagia which is the right way ya gutethia Meru. Mwananchi akumira a exercise right ire a kikatiba na a exercise sovereignty ewe ya katiba auga woni ntikwenda niriko ngavana ethro are obichine ine sober leader somewhere, ine sober leader somewhere, you know, court ibatere gutegera sheria na iketu mkuga maandamano ya ku influence court, nonto court no monketegere sheria maandamano ya ku influence mono political leaders, civic leaders, nonto nabo inyadriba gutega sheria mbere ma sheria netirito monka ukawira na impeachment bwega gikatiba maandamano ya gatuma nabo baigwe nande. So it is not a matter of county assembly yaki kinya Meru bobongo ibano githine iji chikuendelea. So kuleta sanity in Meru, then an illegal governor should not be operating in the office. Yes. So maandamano jaja ohole janjensi ja atethire Kenya kinya jaja atethia Meru nina ndina witikyo bunde na inda kwiriro kairi kinya na aru ankerwa mpumire oni nkaumira na nkaumira.
So antubatu for example kaime bakwandamana mwaka maybe mwaka ya 17 tukura kuna mention ya mbari, and now koti ikawa kawira mwangaze endelee kuri ofisini yakethira irute thiate
bendere yo tu nundu, you know, at the end of the day ntikumenya we kuri mandu ja maingi ya unspoken na kuri
let's go as per the how things are
tuiterete status quo, tuiterete assuming ndariki 17.
Yes,
to assume tio
I mention when maybe something like the governor still endelea kwethira office,
then itu andamane muonka mwicho mbere matwambe tu irane atiri kinyanja njiojo na batere kwambiria na ndinya wengwa kurui maandamano jau na nya Meru bakambirio muri atiri igamba riri angavana ori certified agent, but agent kuma tariki 20 21 muonka tariki 17, is it actually agent? Secondly, igamba riri waejanire onda sex party kawaete the other party room we kuthikirwa yaura. There are questions, valid questions that we should be asking one another. You know, I'm not a lawyer, but imbi tumaka koti ejana ex party ondas or ondas. You know, igamba don't the parties at least ijeri. In this case, the parties are Kawira Mwangasa, the governor, na the Senate of Kenya. Ka Senate ya room ya kuthikirwa ya rega gweta kuthikirwa kenda njanji ya ejana ex parte ruling, ex parte ondas, conservatory ondas. Kaya room ya kuthikirwa ya kuja ire ejana machoke jao ya ura. I can tell you there are questions to batere kurani na kinyanja njurea kule petition na waandikite waandikite Judicial Service Commission against Justice Kasan nunto bakisire yaugite gambe iri tekenjuri ncheke na I think now pangi babatere kuchumiria kinyabo ngaba kambiria kuria valid questions uchi batere kurwa nunto I think to some extent independent institutions in Kenya they are abusing their independence na ito batere kwambiria kura ni as a country imbia informate and kiba katiba ya Kenya by jana institution independent institutions judiciary iri one of them imbia tumite ba institutions independent tekenda chitumiro boboyi imuntu kwenda gukara thirikari ni otheri tekenda chitumiro boboyi ni antu barabo tumiro bichi chiao boyi ikenda chiomba kwejana their independent judgment ya mantu patege meta any side pategete interest ya mwingi na interest ya katiba. Okay. In this case, as a country, a time has come. Na iketu mkuga again and again gakarange choka area. Gen Z si batete Kenya mono. But a time has come as Kenyans to ambiria kurania ina mando ya tegweta boega nunto ya independent commissions, independent institutions in Kenya. Itubatere kuambiria kurania. Are they really independent as envisaged in the constitution?
nani. So moving forward tega cietu ikuthira Ameru ri in people were expect cionthe impangaratano uyu ari interpret sheria urakwenda uyu ari wa kawira no officine kwebagua mutuma bati ku directing ari in acting capacity.
He is already in acting capacity. He is already.
He is in acting capacity
By the constitution. Katiba itethare na ngap.
Okay.
Kwebera kwa governor akiu kwebera aki inakethwa akigati within the country.
But you are officine.
Ayate obichi ugatenyo
muntu usaina budget kagazeto murume.
Ara kuna gwe atumia time. Things were unfold na mumero akerwa ni ataturauga. That is why I'm questioning the independence of some institutions. No, let me ask you this. Margaret Nyakango, control of budget. Ituonete ripoti chiawe chikugora mbecha chamero chitumero toboi is the illegal governor. Ituonete ripoti chiawe nyamonga chikwa senate. Ripoti chikuga mbecha chamero chitekwereka ora chigweta utumiri bobo ibo mbecha kule mbichara kule brutal workforce. Ituonete ripoti chiawe chikarium. But the same person no kurega ku respect aga settlement impeachment of that governor bakajokia reto ambio budget acha ini appropriations bill acha inete na baka mega set. Let me say this na Ameru bakale baiju the constitution of Kenya gote tigete rupos article 251 of the constitution ne provided the formula ya kulita in independent commissioner kile obichi yawe for grounds including ground ya utumeri bobo ebo obichi nunto gojokia budget boka gaseti echaini ne an illegal governor an impeached governor in itself is an illegality nambuge it is time to kulifakiri article 251 toira kinya Margaret Nyakango Ameru iji chia kawira cionthe maichitumite Ameru turaire mawakiri akwetu ndi nyoro tetutugi Ameru baramenyereka ututuramenyereria Ameru buru eta kulibonge tuthire tweri civic education ne thithire twa kungana Ameru.
So turegie mubango parting shot.
My parting shot is well, I think as a country we need to be serious.
Yeah,
there is a serious problem nonto as Kenyans turaire antu bate kuthingata the rule of law. Mukenya wonde araire ala kuona opportunity alithugania how do I benefit me and myself. Ate kuthugania ugo ngiruru terere nomba ku benefit yate. I think a time has come as a country tuambirie guchoka kairi ki drawing board. Turikonifige directions chetu ja Kenya. Tuthingate katiba ora yugite, tuthingate sheria na tutege the public interest na tumikari na defend at all cost. Buge bobo mwicho turombe muno murungu atwite thinene ji turi na imbije ngai na atwiyetwe na agatwite thinene ji at God's appointed time. Good things will happen for the good of his people.
Thank you. Thank you very much bwana Kaimenyi no tupo kona kanya kuyana. Thank you very much kiri bora bonde bokari kiri mubango yuyo kukea. It's always a pleasure kuthandina babu na together tu menyithia mantu mwanya wira wetana bere ndeni ya Kenya ukulukira mitandao yetu ukulukira kiri TV yetu kiri nteto cia thaa 7:30 na 9:30 neta na bere kututhia ta kiri mitandao tikiri Facebook Waru TV kiri X @WaruTV na nyantuko ya ruyo together tukumethia mantu kiri space tuna Martin Gichunge Ondula kiri space @WaruTV Martin Gichunge 1 @Mutembeyendu 3 yayo nthe together tukumenyathia ntuko ya ruyo kiri mutandao UX kwambiriria thaili cia woro mwanka thainya cia utuko. In the meantime kithe kwina mandamano together tuikwira tukoni ground ro kugethera kukari ukilukira mitandao yetu tu keep posted na together tukumethia mantu mwanya uraya wita na mbere no uraya ukareka ndene ya muongo yo Kenya ithira wina ntuko mbea bitwa Mutembeyendu. Thank you very much bwana Kaimenyi.
Thank you.
Thanks.